Hey, good morning. It's Brenda Meller with today's LinkedIn strategy tip, and I want to teach you what to do with all of those unknown invitations you get in your LinkedIn inbox. So here we go. I'm going to start on LinkedIn. I'm going to click at the top to go to My Network, and that's where I see a list of all the invitations I've received on LinkedIn. Now, some of these people will use a personal note. Some might use a templated note, like James here. Doesn't look like it's really personalized to me. If I click on See More, I can see it pretty much as copy and paste. Probably sent this to a bunch of people today. Now, let me show you some others on here. Natalie and Ajijul, so for example, I've gotten invitations, but there's no context, no note to them. What do you do with them? Let me show you what I would do with them. I click on where it says CL67. And then it'll take you to another page where you can now see a way to manage the invitations you've received. Underneath invitation, there's going to be a little link that says message. Now, what I'd like to do is I click on message and I will reply back and say something like this. Hi, Natalie. Thanks for the LinkedIn invitation. Have we met? Brenda Meller. I'm going to fix my typo before I send it out to Natalie, and then I'm going to send it out. Now, Natalie probably knows we haven't met. I know we haven't met, but it's more polite than saying, hey, who the heck are you and why do you want to connect with me on LinkedIn? Now, what I find with this technique is it's very powerful and very effective at getting people to respond back if there is a reason they want to connect with you, or if there's some intentional purpose that they send you an invitation. Natalie might say, hey, LinkedIn suggested you, or she might say, my friend James said you're a great LinkedIn strategy coach, and I looked up your profile. I was impressed. She may have said we were at an event together this week, and I just forgot, right? The key here is it's creating dialogue to screen in the intentional invitations and to screen out the unintentional invitations. The unintentional ones are the people that just click on connect with no rhyme or reason. They don't really care about you. The intentional people will tend to reply back to this message, and then you've got them talking. And that's key to relationship building on LinkedIn. My name is Brenda Meller. I'm a LinkedIn strategy coach and trainer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like these, and check out the links below if I can help you unlock the power of LinkedIn. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.